The purpose of this demonstration is to show a way of taking traffic which is being untagged, log in remotely, create a stream of traffic which is being tagged, then log in remotely through the tagged traffic and change the first untagged traffic to be tagged with a separate VLAN. First, I have to configure the router to accept any connections. In this tab, I have a console server that I gain access to. This is essentially the same as consoling into the router. It goes through the console port, not the fast Ethernet ports. And I assign an IP address with no encapsulation or no VLAN tagging. At this point, I should no longer need this console access. Over here, I have to bring up the interface first. ETH1 has been moved into a separate network namespace in order to directly connect to the router. So at this point, our link is up, and at this point we're going to perform the remote operation. We're going to remote into the router using the fast Ethernet in-band access. We're going to create a new VLAN subinterface. We're then going to remote into the VLAN subinterface and change the untagged interface to be tagged, all without losing connectivity. Now that we have the second tagging set up, I have to add a subinterface in the remote box. Now I still have access on the untagged traffic. And I made a small mistake here. What I did is I added the new IP address to the base interface instead of the subinterface. So now I still have access to the untagged interface and the tagged interface. Now I'm going to change the untagged interface to be tagged. Now I'm going to change the configuration on this box, which is the same box actually, to use tagging for that interface instead of untagged. So we have three interfaces here. ETH1 is no longer has an address. ETH1.20 is VLAN 20 with its VLAN address, and ETH1.10 is VLAN 10 with its address. We're still in the router as VLAN 20, and this interface, which was previously untagged, is now tagged. I appear to have added the IP address to the wrong thing. Oh, I forgot to bring up the new subinterface. There we go. That is the end of this demonstration.